A fancy Skuad bike packing kit sweetens the deal even more. If you're not aware, Ducati has a pretty impressive range of electric bikes for both commuting and sports riding. One of many car and motorcycle brands investing heavily in the e-bike space. And now Ducati is appealing to e-bike adventurers with its new Futa All Road electric gravel bike. In true gravel bike fashion, the Futa, don't search for that name on Reddit, trust us, blends the efficiency of a road bike with the go-anywhere ability of a mountain bike, with adjustable ergonomics and dual-purpose tires. Ducati says the bike is specifically designed to offer a freedom and flexibility for cyclists who don't want to be confined to the confines of the pavement. As you can probably guess, lightness is the name of the game in the bicycle industry, whether electric or otherwise. And so the Futa All Road is built around Ducati's endurance sport geometry frame and made entirely from carbon fiber. The entire bike is said to weigh just 12.4 kilograms, about 27 pounds, in size M. Further aiding the lightweight package is FSA's System HM 1.0, a compact electric motor built into the bike's rear hub. With 250 watts and 42 Newton meters, about 31 pound-feet of torque, it's certainly not a powerhouse. Instead, it promises a smooth and natural-feeling pedal assist. The 250 watt-hour battery, meanwhile, is similarly compact, and you have the option of using the 250 watt-hour range extender for longer rides. Rounding out the technology package is a drivetrain capable of knocking the nuts off any bike. An electronic 2x12 SRAM rival ETAP AXS group set complete with hydraulic disc brakes. To sweeten the deal even further, Ducati offers a bike packing set consisting of 3 waterproof Skuad bags for the seat, handlebars and frame. So yeah, you're almost ready for a long bike packing adventure with this thing right out of the box. Although Ducati has not yet announced the Futa All Road's official price tag, it has announced that deliveries of the new e-bike will begin across Europe this month. Additionally, the new e-bike and the rest of Ducati's e-bike range will be exhibited at the Eurobike show in Frankfurt from 3 to July 7, 2024.